Introduction for simple interest is a method used to calculate interest on the principal amount over a specific period, where the interest is calculated only on the original principal, not at any accumulated interest. Number 2, simple interest grow at constant rate. The amount of interest in each period remains the same. No compounding. Unlike compound interest, simple interest does not consider interest on previously earned interest. The calculate is always based on the original example. For example, Ali made loan from bank NAS. He wants to calculate the interest he has to pay using the simple interest formula. Problem statement for simple interest. Shami wants to get married in 2026. He wants to borrow Rm30,000 ringgit from the bank. He received two offers. 1. Bank Ahmad offer 5% interest rate for 4 years. Number 2. Bank Ali offer 4.7 interest rate for the same years. Shami need to decide. First, which bank offer the lower total interest? Number 2. Total amount he will need to repay for each bank after 3 years.
Okay, before we solve the question, let me explain about the methodology. The methodology of simple interest is P, R, T, S and I. P is a principal, R is rate of simple interest, T is period of investment, S is a simple amount, and I is the simple interest. Okay, how to find I? I equals to P times R times T, and for S is a P plus I. So Bank Ali is more better than Bank Ahmad because they give less interest than Bank Ahmad. So in conclusion, the simple interest is the way more easier to calculate, and it is very suitable for short-term financial arrangement. Okay, for question 2, we need to calculate the amount that Shami will need to pay after 4 years. So the methodology is S equals to P plus I. So for Bank Ahmad, the P is 30,000 ringgit plus R, which is 6,000 ringgit. So the answer is 36,000 ringgit. For Bank Ali, the P is 30,000 ringgit and the R is 5,640 ringgit. So the answer is 35,640 ringgit. So the total amount Shami will need to pay for Bank Ahmad after 4 years is 36,000 ringgit, and for Bank Ali is 35,640 ringgit.
Conclusion for simple interest. In conclusion, simple interest is easier to calculate and provide a fixed return over time, making it suitable for short-term financial agreement. Bank Ali is more better than Bank Ahmad because they give less interest than Bank Ahmad. Introduction for compound interest. Compound interest is the interest calculated on both the original amount principal and interest that has already been paid. This means the interest grows over time and is added to the total balance regularly. Number 2, compound interest show exponentially grow, meaning the amount increases faster over time. This happens because the interest is calculated not only the original amount but also on the interest that has already accumulated. The longer the time and the more frequently the interest is compound, the faster it grows. For example, Ali invests money in a saving account with an annual interest rate of 8% compound yearly for 3 years. Problem statement for compound interest. Arya wants to save money for a vacation. She deposits 20,000 ringgit into a saving account that offers a compound interest rate of 5% per year, compound annually. She decides to leave the money in the account for 4 years. Meanwhile, her cousin Ethan deposited 20,000 ringgit into another saving account with a compound interest rate of 4% per year, also compound annually for the same duration. By comparing their account, it can be determined who earn more interest and how much their total saving grow.
Okay, before we solve the question, let me explain the methodology first. For compound interest formula, S equal to P bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N, where P equal to original principal, I equal to interest rate per interest period, N equal to number of interest period. Okay, now how to find S, N, I, and I. Okay. For S, the formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I close bracket and power of N. Okay, so for the N, the formula is N equal to T times M. Okay, so for the I, small I, J over M. Okay, so for the big I equal S minus P. Okay, that's how we find the S, N, I, and I. Okay, let's move forward to the result and discussion. Okay, for this calculation, we have to find the value of I and N. Okay, so to find the I, follow the formula. I equal K over M. So we put the value here 0.05 as K, and over M is 1. Okay, click the calculator and you get the answer. The answer is 0.05. Okay, so for the second question, same, we put the value here as K and M. So the answer is 0.04. So for the N, the formula is T times M. Okay, so the T is 4 and the M is 1. So N equal 4 times 1 equal to 4. Okay, that's all. Okay, now this question asks to find the value of S and I for Arya and Ethan. Okay, so for the formula to find S is equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. Okay, let's put the value. The value of P is 20,000 ringgit. Okay, open the bracket 1 plus I is 0.05 close bracket, and N is 4, so the power is 4. Okay, tap your calculator and you will get the answer for S is RM 24,310.13 cents. Okay, that's for S. So let's find the S for Ethan. Same formula. So let's put the P for Ethan is same 20,000. For the P, open the bracket 1 plus The I is 0.04, close the bracket, and the power is 4. Okay, type the calculator and you will get the answer for S is, answer for the S is 23,397 ringgit 17 cent. Okay, so we have to find the I. The I, formula for I is S minus P. So the S, so we just got the value of S, so we need to minus with the P. P is the principal, so create this first. Okay, this first. So for the I, okay, now we have to find the value for I. So the formula for I is I equal to S minus P. So the S, we just got the value of S, so we just put in here. So the value of S is 24,310 13 cent. So minus P. The P is 20,000. So we just put here minus 20,000. Then type the calculator, and you will get the answer for I is RM 4,310 13 cent. Okay, that's the I for Arya. Then let's calculate the I for Ethan. So same formula, S minus P. So the S for Ethan is 23,397 ringgit 17 cent minus 20,000. So the answer for I is RM 3,397 17 cent. Okay, that's all.
Conclusion for compound interest. In conclusion, compound interest grows exponentially by including interest on previously earned interest, making it more beneficial for long-term investment and wealth accumulation. Arya earned more interest than Ethan, and total saving growth for Arya is higher than Ethan.